Hi, I'm Angela DValda Sirico, and today Caroline and I are working on a bourrée exercise that I like to do at the bar. It's a series of bourrées traveling along the bar with a fondue in between every 4 counts, circling around 1 circle or 2, going backwards, arms to demi-bras, and now we're going to try it with a chassé into a plié relevé into an arabesque. And I like to always finish it with something like an arabesque or an attitude, only because we constantly need to be working on those positions. And, you know, they've been doing all the bourrées and that's all very lovely. And then they have to really focus and get into that strong position. So that's why I like this combination. All right, we're going to use port de bras with it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, fondue, and 1, 2, 3, good, and back, 2, 3, 4, and chassé and plié relevé, and there's a lovely arabesque fondue. And of course you would do that on both sides. But this is a nice sort of lyrical combination using bourrées, because so often bourrées get very tight and the knees get very tight and they don't look smooth. I always tell my dancers they should look like, you know, water just going across the stage. You really shouldn't notice what the feet are doing when you're doing a bourrée, and upper bodies shouldn't be rocking, and you did it beautifully, Caroline. She kept her body beautifully still, and so the focus was more on the port de bras, and that's why we use the port de bras to try to get the focus off the feet into the upper body, into the nice relaxed feeling.